Hey guys, are you ready to get ready with me? Today's show is sponsored by MEGELIN, this beautiful device. Let's open. First of all, beautiful, beautiful packaging by MEGELIN. So this is a radio frequency and microcurrent device. I've been using this for a week and I absolutely love the result. There's 3 modes. There's radio frequency, and then DA and DP, I don't know what they stand for, but the directions are here. You do the radio frequency 3 minutes at night, DA 5 minutes in the daytime, which I'm going to demo for you right now. And the DP is done with the sheet mask. She also comes with the hyaluronic acid gel, which is the conductor. Basically puts an electrical current through your skin and you need a conductor. Now I'm gonna tell you a tip that I found out. If you put too much of this, your electrical pulse is going to be really high. Start very little. Like I put it on my skin and almost let it dry. But if you don't feel a pulse at all, that means to put more gel. I also like that this is hyaluronic acid. My skin just absorbs this because I'm so sensitive. My skin tends to get very dry and scaly, also reactive to other products. Okay, I'm gonna press once for RF mode, which is at night, and press the button one more time for DA. Because it's electrical currents, okay, make sure your feet are on the floor. I took off my jewelry just in case, but I'm gonna start here, right here in my forehead. So it will feel like this. What this does, ladies and gents, it is working out the muscles of your skin, or your face, shall I say. It's working out some muscles. So it's like your skin is doing a workout. I promise you, you will get at least 1 millimeter of lift. Some places are more sensitive than the others, like the eyes and around my jaw is super sensitive. Can you see that, you guys? I see it. Do you see how this side is lifted compared to here? I swear the first time I did this, something about the microcurrent, because it also stimulates the blood flow to your face. My dry face looked so hydrated. The first time I used this, I felt like it looked like the first time I had filler. The left side of my face hits the driving side, right? On most people, it's the side that looks more aged because of the sun exposure. I'm telling you this because you're going to feel more pulse on your left side. See what just that one pass did? How it lifted my cheek right there? It's so subtle, but I promise you guys, if you've done filler or if you have not done filler, this is literally giving me the effect of like 2 mils of filler. If you're curious, I did post a video. I had 3 mils of filler done on my cheeks and in my smile lines and right under here. Can you see that? Can you just see how I have lift here? I can see it. Where before, like when I started the video, it wasn't there. That's it for the MEGELIN tool. You're supposed to use this every day. Now the hyaluronic acid, just let it absorb into your skin. It's perfectly fine with it. Another sponsored product I love, and I know some of you don't like sponsors. It's like, is she telling the truth? When FACTORFIVE found me last year and introduced me to the Nourishing Silk Human Stem Cell Factor Essence. This is incredibly healing. I have noticed for sure the healing and soothing that I get, the redness relief that I get with using this. You see I have some spots of red. If you had seen me before, my whole face is red and inflamed most of the time. I also use FACTORFIVE's eye and lash cream. So yes, you can rub this eye cream into your eyelashes as well. So you don't have to worry about like getting it into your eye. By the way, eye cream goes all around the eye. Just follow your orbital bones, which means your eye socket, and also use it in the area around your lips. The worst thing for me about having eczema is that I have to be super careful about my makeup. So I'm trying out this new product. It's called Tower 28, new to me at least. And it's made with hypochlorous acid, which is redness relieving. First thing I'm gonna do is concealer under and over. I do have a concealer brush, but not on me right now. If you're an eczema sufferer, check out the SKINSMART Antimicrobial Eczema Therapy. This is a hypochlorous acid spray. Tower 28 has it in their collection, but it's twice as much as the stuff that you can get on Amazon. It smells like swimming pool, but this is so relieving. Anytime I feel like I want to itch my face, I just bust out that stuff. And you see, it takes the redness out. I guess I should title this Get Ready With Me as an eczema sufferer so I can share with you the products that I use. If you have rosacea, you might be red too. The truth is, as our skin ages, we get super sensitive because our skin loses barrier functions. So what I just used was Merit Cheek Cream, and then I'm going to also use the Merit Highlighting Balm across the top of my cheekbones. I also put it on the Cupid's lip and the lower corners of my mouth to give it a nice little pout. I usually like to put on my wing liner, but for the camera, I'm going to show you an easy way. Now, I apologize. Throughout the years, my lashes seem to just disappear. Anyone else have that problem? This is my go-to, the Maybelline Great Lash in Waterproof. The waterproof formula is going to help maintain the curl, and you're going to go from root to tip. Make sure you feel that brush against your inner eyelid all the way. That's going to help the lashes to stand up. I go in with the second coat of a volumizing formula. This is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I have this pencil. This is Smashbox, always sharp. In Sumatra, it's a dark brown. I'm gonna put it on the lash line and then also lift my lashes up and get the base of your lashes. You see that? If you have droopy eyes, if you have saggy eyelids, this is the best trick just to get that definition on your lash line. So put it under your lashes. Trust me, if you have wrinkly eyelids and you put this on top, it's gonna be really hard because it's gonna skip the spots where your eyelids are wrinkly. I know I'm using ugly language, but it's just the truth. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of bronzer and find that little hollow under your cheek and sweep up into it. I'm pushing up into my cheekbone. So this is my brush kit. You can find it in my store. It makes a great Christmas present. It has a travel kit that is faux Saffiano leather for the vegans. And all of my brushes are synthetic. This one is the one that I use, so it's got makeup on it. This keeps your bristles protected. There's one more in here that didn't make it to camera, sorry. The palette I'm using today is LORAC Pro To Go. I've had this forever. I love this color called Mink, where I'm just gonna do like one sweep on my eyelid. This is my, like, as simplistic as I can possibly get. Actually, I'm gonna use Cafe with a domed brush. Fits right there in your crease, and you do a windshield wiper. Now, the goal of makeup is to create depth and perception, illusions in your face. It's not to cover and mask. So all these little tricks that I do, you're basically contouring and lifting. Using my pointy brush, I like this darker color called Mink. Now I'm just going to press it into my eyelid, the dense bristles, push the color into the eyes really efficiently, and you see there's no fallout. I've tried to take my lipstick off, but I'm gonna put it back on. This is my signature lipstick. This one is Rosebud. You can find this in my store. It is fortified with avocado oil and vitamin E, and it does stay all day. I promise you guys, it does not run. You will not get those vertical lines in your lips, and it feels like butter. This is my private label. You can find that in the store as well. Again, great for Christmas gifts. Okay, there you go. That's it. I am ready to go. Any questions? Leave them here in the comments. Check out the machine, you guys. I was about to buy the new face for like $400 during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I think it was more than that. I think it was $500. So their devices range from $300 to $500, where Magellan's is less than $300, and there is a coupon code. But it's a wonderful present to yourself to perk up your skin. Who doesn't want that? Okay, guys, get on with your day. I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.